What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark, man. Today's video, we're gonna be trying to restore these headlights because these headlights are bad. You barely can see anything out of them at night. Like this right here is so bad. I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but all that haze and, you know, cloudiness on it is terrible to see at night. And especially since this car is a 2000. Okay. This car has got 200,000 miles on it. So I don't want this car looking like it got 200,000 miles on it. So I need to make this car look nice and clean, you feel me? So like stuff like this, I'm gonna get this fixed up. Like this grill's cracked. I might order another grill. It's like $50, get an emblem. Or I might just try to pull it out. I don't know if I can get like behind it, pull it out, push this part in, this cracked part, put that push back in or something. I don't think I'm gonna buy a new bumper because that's doing too much, because then I gotta get it repainted unless I can find a black bumper. But stuff like this headlights, I'm about to get that restored. You got this stuff right here. We're using 3M headlight restoration. We're gonna get it attached to the drill, and yeah, once I get everything set up, pick the camera up. Okay, y'all, I have the light all taped off and everything. It's ready to get this stuff all buffed out. So yeah, I gotta figure out a way where to mark this. Set this camera up at. Yeah. I just got done with 500 grit on this one headlight. 500 grit is done. Sand it down. I don't know if y'all guys can see all the swirl marks. But yeah, let's see how this turned out. Yeah.
What's this for? The glass? The glass or?
This like plastic.
There's a coating on it, like
Yeah.
red chips, rocks with pebbles, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was like all hazy and everything. You know when the headlights get old.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought you was doing, like cleaning that.
Yeah.
They got some stuff though you can buy now. Just spray it on there, wipe it off.
Yeah.
So it's brand new, man.
That's what I'm about to do. It's like the more permanent solution.
How long that lasts? Couple of months?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, I didn't even put no clear coat on it yet, or put no polish on it. Look at it. Look at the difference. And I didn't even make it clear yet. It's already getting clear. You can actually see inside there. Oh yes, this is about to look good. is the right side. I didn't even do that last sanding pad at 3000 grit. I didn't do 3000 yet, but look how easy this one is. I didn't do 3000. Now go on the side, I just did 3000 on. This is the side I did 3000 on. Look at the difference. And I didn't even put the polish on it yet. I didn't even put the rubber compound polish. Alright guys, it's time for the rubbing compound. Let that focus. It ain't gonna focus, huh? Well, it's time for this. Got the nice polishing pad. Time to see the final results. Okay, this is one pass at the polishing. One pass at the polishing. Oh, these things feel brand new, y'all. They feel brand new. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Oh my God, bro. I'm gonna insert it before picture. Let's do another pass. Okay, y'all, so let's check something out. This is before polish. Boom, before polish. Still got a little haze to it. Y'all notice the haze to it? Still got a little haze to it. Before polish. Well, not polish. I keep saying polish. Rubber compound. Let's go look at rubber compound side. Boom. Oh, man. Brand new. Can y'all see yourself? Nope. All right, but still look. Oh, my God. That thing looks so nasty. That thing looks so nasty. Sheesh.